My 2022 single seed challenge, I chose the black strawberry tomato. I purchased it from Baker Creek, and this tomato did not disappoint. It germinated from one seed. It was a very strong plant, went straight out into the garden, and you will not see a more beautiful tomato. There's some in the basket on the lower right, but they start out very dark colored, and then tons on the vine, as you can see, and then they ripen to reddish purplish with green stripes. They look like jewels, and they're a really good size, like double size of a cherry. I got a little bit of footage here. I'm going to show you guys the plant. Got a little too much shade, but it still cranked out a ton of tomatoes, and they're just stunning. It's hard to describe how pretty they are. This isn't the plant. We're walking back towards it. But here they are. You can see them up at the top, how dark they are. And then they just ripen along the clusters. Just so beautiful, so beautiful. And just produced a ton of food. So highly recommend it. It was a really, really fun tomato to pick for the challenge. And just look how beautiful they are. There's nothing I've ever seen quite like it. So yeah, highly recommend black strawberry tomato.